To install the pallet wraps, release the Velcro. Lean the pallet wrap against the skid, spin it around. Go around counterclockwise. Once you get to this point, then do the shimmy. Pull it up high. Gravity will naturally want to pull it down. I use my left knee on the left side. I do the second from the top strap first to hold it up. For smaller packages, you can use a smaller D-ring. Once you got this one done, you work your way down. Doing the first strap last. Top strap comes right over the top, secures your finished product to the skid. Then you take your corner straps, slip them underneath the skid, and connect it to the wrap. Left rear corner.